Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome back to One Seed, One World. I wanted to give a quick update on the artichoke series that I did last year. For those that you followed along, growing artichokes from seed, and we got some plants last year and we didn't get any fruit because it was the first year, and unless they have kind of a chilling period, artichokes normally don't produce during their first year unless you do some vernalization process. But I ended up with some nice plants. Pruned them back in the fall and covered them with mulch, and was looking forward to having them resprout again this year. However, they did not resprout, and so I wanted to let you know what I did wrong on why they did not come back. Okay, so I mentioned that I cut them back in the fall. The problem that I then ran into was shortly after cutting them back, we had a big warm-up period last fall before it got cold again. So during that warm-up period, my artichokes all resprouted again and started growing quite well. So what I did, I went back in and I pruned them again, and I shouldn't have done that. With artichokes, if you do too much over pruning, over cutting back, it can cause additional issues with the plant. I mean, you're stressing out the plant when you're doing that anyway, and that additional stress right before winter, I think kind of opened up the chance of other issues with the roots struggling. Might have got some root rot in there, I'm not really sure, but for whatever the case, they did not come back in the spring, and I'm pretty sure it's because I double pruned them right before the winter and should not have done that. So what I would recommend, if you're trying to grow artichokes and you're going to prune them back in the fall with some of the tips that I mentioned on protecting them over winter, don't double prune like I did. If you do have them resprout, just let them do their sprouting thing. Just make sure that your root base before winter is well packed with additional soil and mulch to protect it from the cold. If you live in a colder climate, you can also then cover your plant with additional burlap or plastic if you're getting some super cold areas. Like we had 2 weekends over this winter that were down around near 0 degrees, and that's Fahrenheit, so it's pretty cold. We even had wind chills that were like -6, -9, something like that. Overall it was mild, but we did have those 2 very harsh weekends. So I think what I did wrong was just putting that additional stress on the plant by cutting them back when they were first starting to regrow again. I should have just let them be. So that is the end of the artichoke series that we started doing last year for now. I'll try them again in the future. I didn't bother trying to plant them again this year. I planted zucchini in where they were last year instead. But I want to try again in the future. I'm still not giving up on the artichoke thing. We're just taking a break this year. But whatever's going on in your neck of the woods, I hope it's working out fantastic for you and that you are having a great day. Thanks for hanging out again with me today, and we will see you again soon. Namaste.